I was able to get the truck started yesterday, but we got some fueling issues going on here with this carburetor. There's a lot of fuel coming out here, and I also saw some coming out here. It may have been from there. So I looked online a little bit, and they say that it could be trash in the float. So what we're gonna do is take the top off of this, check it out, see what's going on, and I also got a new fuel filter I'll be putting on the truck also, and then we'll see if we get any better results after that. Alright, looking in here, you can see that this fuel is pretty dirty. I'm gonna get a turkey baster, suck all this out, and see if I got any buildup of stuff in there. And if you take a look at here, these floats are pretty dirty. It's supposed to be 7/16 of an inch on the adjustment on here. So I get a drill bit out, check the float adjustment, then check my needles here. Make sure that they don't have any trash sitting in them, and then we will go from there. So I'll be back. Try and get a close-up view. You can actually see the trash down in the bottom of this. So we'll get all this cleaned out and put it back on, and then we will try again. Alright, y'all, here's what's going on here, trying to get past this dirty fuel. So got the carburetor rebuild kit to rebuild this old clapped out Edelbrock carburetor. Got a factory AC Delco fuel filter that actually goes under the truck here. Very nice. I got actually two of these. I got another one over on the shelf, so whenever this one gets stopped up, I'll take it out and put another one in. And I got these from Napa to go between the fuel pump and the carburetor. These are the clear see-through, and the reason I have two of them was because I wasn't sure if the line was 5/16 or 3/8, so I just got both of them since they were on like $4 a piece. So let me get y'all set up on the tripod, and then we'll start opening up this carburetor. This will be my first time opening up an Edelbrock carburetor, so we'll see how it goes.